Yeah, so we bought this place. Back then it was just very lightly renovated. Not much work was done into it. So we wanted to renovate the house to stay for a long term. That's when we met Kenneth.
And I think among all the IDs, I think he spent a lot of time with us to really conceptualize our ideas into plans. So yeah, that's why we went with him as well. So he likes green, I like blue, so we try to have a bit of like similarity or the colours that we choose for the whole house. So like kitchen wall, we try to choose green, and then if you look at the sofa, a bit of blue and green of what we like as well.
So at DCA Studio, this is customized furniture. This is what we do. So you're able to choose different kind of fabric, different kind of detail, different kind of throw pillow and the frame itself. As you can see from here, the legs itself, you also can choose different kind of material. So this is what DCA Studio is doing.
Kenneth was the one that would help us to guide us, to tell us, okay, what should we lock down first? What should we finalize first?
And he was the one who like scaled down what we need, what we don't need, and what works and what doesn't work for the whole house.
So we got a bit of a Scandi modern, I don't know what to call it, theme. Okay lah, it's comfortable lah, it's nice.